All right, guys, our man Sapperds is back. More megas of Composite in a box of Select. Are we doing both of these Sapperds? Only the Composites Mark Break Live. Are we doing the Select box too? Let me know. Let me know if we're doing this. I'll start with this if we're doing this. I'll give Sapperds a minute. Oh, all right, cool. Sounds good. Let's get ripping. Get busy ripping or get busy dying. That's, I think, what they said in Shawshank, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Rip or die trying.
Have you seen Shawshank?
I actually have not.
Really? Oh man.
I feel like that's the movie that like people think that I'm like wild for not having watched.
It's really good. It's like Bigsby. Hooker. There's a Puka and a Stroud.
I will watch it at some point.
You really should. It's very good.
I'm just horrible at watching movies.
I'm awful at it too. I'm horrendous at it, but that movie's really good.
So I guess the fact that there's a famous movie that I haven't seen and you have is kind of wild.
Yeah, I watched it when I was like in college, I think. AR again. Sam Laporta. Sam Laporta. And a Stroud.
I was watching more movies like last year while I was at home. One of my good friends that I've known forever is really into movies, so like I would watch movies with him all the time. But now I just like watch TV shows.
It's fair. Bijan. I respect it. Jameer Gibbs on the these are not called courtside. Club level. I almost said courtside. This is not a court. We went AR, JSN, AR, Puka, Bryce Young. If you like rookies, this is your product. It's Bryce. Say Flowers. Trying to build a red and yellow set? I respect that. That's cool.
It's awesome.
Yosavas, Debo, Lou Headley. Sure. CJ Stroud. Mr. Cutlets. And Sam Laporta.
It's going to be interesting to see how this 23 class pans out, as I feel like there's people with a lot of potential in here.
Yeah, I agree. Bijan on the die cut. There's a Zay. There's a Bijan. There's a JSN.
But which one of them will actually live up to said potential?
It's always what it's about.
Always up in the air. Because you can have
AR
good rookie season, couple good seasons after that, but to be consistently good for a whole
Stroud.
career, that is a tough feat to achieve.
Devon Chan. Sam Laporta, Zay Flowers. Ari. Jameer Gibbs. Bryce. Puka and Bryce.
Do you know what Troy just said?
No.
What?
A Connor McDavid patch auto pretty plate 1-on-1.
No way.
Cup.
Jesus. All right. Last pack of Select. Thank Del. All right. Yeah, I'll go see it in a minute. 2 megas of Composite. There is an Andre Reed to 325. We got a couple
Awesome.
numbered Jim Kellys earlier. Now we have a nice numbered Andre Reed.
Can't go wrong with Bills Legends.
Nope. You cannot. Donovan McNabb, Wayne Corbett. There's Howie Long. All right, give me one auto out of these 2 mega boxes. So I want to see Bryce. Bryce. What's up, Slashy? How's it going? How we doing?
What's good, Slashy?
My wish is granted. All right.
There we go. Ask and you shall receive.
There's Tom Brady. I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to do the whole next mega box before we check this auto.
That is a little crazy. You're getting bold here.
The gold auto. I want to save it. I want to make sure we end with something cool.
So now that you're sweating it, it's gonna be like some like random Packers lineman from the '60s.
That's fine. Sapperds a Packers fan.
Oh,
Gronk to 249.
that's true.
What's that?
Guess can't go wrong with that then.
Do we have videos?
Yeah, you got any videos I can do in live ones for you guys?
Just Alfonso, if you want to take Alfonso.
Yeah, I can take off on.
Danny Amendola. There's Bryce Young on the midnight. Bryce Young on the checker and a Chad Johnson on the rainbow. Little rainbow Chad Ochocinco Johnson. Stroud. All right, Stroud.
All kinds of CJ.
Okay, what do we got here?
Who we got? Cosmic.
That is old.
Is a giant?
Looks like a giant.
No way!
Oh. Woo! Okay, Sapperds, what a way to end. How about a Lawrence Taylor auto to 25?
That is disgusting.
That's insane.
Wow. To 5.
25.
25.
I didn't even know he was on the checklist.
That is heavy.
That's sick,
Oh,
Sapperds.
You got that Warren Moon today too on the Cosmic,
Yeah, we
right?
did.
Yeah,
That is insane. No. Yeah.
Wow.
Composite is hidden
Absolutely,
today.
Sapperds. What a nuke. That's awesome. Lawrence Taylor to 25 on the gold.
Legend.
What a nice auto to hit. Thank you so much for the other
Wow.
order, Sapperds. Absolutely got rewarded for that one. Thank you so much.